Jalsa Premium Exhibition is happening and you can see the beautiful wedding collection they have brought this time. So right now I am at Styles Fair Exhibition Center, which is at West Court in TRP Mall, and we have got beautiful collection. To check out the collection, swipe left, and for more details do read the caption. So wedding season mein if you are looking something which is stylish, which is affordable, then this is the place. Look at this beautiful chiniya choli pairs. These are all the beautiful sets. If you need more options, you have to visit here. We have got ready-made blouses as well. उसमें आपको बहुत सारे options मिल जाएंगे from 3/4 sleeve to sleeveless. These are all the color range available with us, you can see, and we have got some beautiful cute collection for kids. These are some all hair accessories for the kids and some scrunchies for you. We have got some more accessories, some bracelets. You can see we have got some makeup items as well. Buy one at 399 and buy three at 999 in denims. You can see we have got baggy jeans, some street fit, some funky jeans. So yeah, we have got all this collection in denims. Something in washed jeans. We have got color options as well. Yes, so you can see the range available in denims, whether you want a blue, black, some of white, some washed. We have got almost every color option available in denims. Again, this is the offer going on. So something for the weddings as a sider, we have got beautiful sets in 3-piece set along with dupatta. If you want some minimal work, then again we have beautiful set, and these are again hand worked 3-piece set, something in pastel tone and detailing of handwork. These are all the cotton collection. If you need something in cotton along with different work on it, you can see some handwork is done, and these are some catalog pieces if you want. We have got more variety as well. Some beautiful heritage collection for this wedding season. Look at the bangles design we do have, and these are all the long neck piece along with some chokers as well. You can see you will have some monzonite piece, some heritage piece, some kundan piece, and we have got this kind of rings collection as well with us. Some cocktail rings, some beautiful bracelets. These are some minimal sets, perfect for gifting and someone who likes minimal jewelry. And we have got this kind of kadas as well. And now I'm moving to the brand. They are from the Rajkot, and they have got all the beautiful homemade stuff. These are all the bathing bar and scrub. You can see they have got hampers as well if you need. They do customize, and these are hand wash. Wow, these are all the cute hand wash we do have. So this place is for બાંધણી lovers. You can see તમને બંધેજમાં મળી જવાના છે option. Something in Georgette also. We have got this બાંધણી sarees. We have got બાંધણી dupatta as well along with this langni patta. You can see, and bandhani dress materials as well. So we have got beautiful sarees, dress materials, and bandhani dupattas. If you want something in ajrak kurtis, we have got options in that. We have got cotton kurtis and whole kurti pair set. Yes, and these are ajrak kurtis. And now coming to the crochet items, you can see in crochet you will have this beautiful cute items. We have got more options in potlis and bags. These are again dupatta sarees and kurtis. So these are all at flat 500. Pick any from this at flat 500. These are all from brand W. And you can see તમને કુર્તીની અંદર બહુ બધા ઓપ્શન્સ મળી જવાના છે, from casual to some semi festive. We have got beautiful color range available here, and something in semi festive as well. These are all the other options you can see at flat 500. We have got this party wear gowns as well, floor touch, at flat 50% off here. And these are all some pickle options available with us along with this papad. So you can come and grab that too.
Short kurta,
Short kurtas.
t-shirt,
Yes, some oversized t-shirt.
cord set,
Yes, the complete cord set. These are the more options available in t-shirts. And if you want some bottom wear, so એમાં બી તમને options મળી જવાના છે. We have got some kurtis as well. We have got night suits. If you are looking for something in night wear, we have got that. And these are some health related like millets, and you can see we have got more options available. These are all the vinegar and some options available. Yes, so you can come here, you can explore, you can meet them here. You can yes, so these are all the naturopathy related stuff. So yes, you can come visit her and get your query solved. So these are all the beautiful 3-piece cord sets, something with mirror work in a very nice shades of tissue. You can see अगर आपको कुछ हैंड वर्क में हैवी में चाहिए तो इसमें आपको चिनन में बहुत ऑप्शंस मिल जाएंगे. We have got more options in off-white as well, and something very beautiful like this. You can see more options available above as well in 3-piece suit. These are all the beautiful options. Something with shrug. Yes, and these are again beautiful options. We have got this sarees, अजरक sarees as well with us. You can see उसमें भी आपको बहुत सारी range मिल जाएगी in अजरक sarees. We have got more with langdi patta as well if you need. These are all the Ajrak sarees, beautifully done. And this is again look at this beautiful pearl work done on this beautiful potli. If you need more options, then we have got this mobile covers as well to make it easy for you in this wedding season. Look at this beautiful purse, again beautiful gifting option and something very beautiful for yourself. We have got more options in potlis if you need. We have got more purses. You can see अगर आपको कुछ ऐसा चाहिए तो उसके भी options मिल जाएंगे. These are all the heavy range of the potlis, sling bags and much more. You can see something very classy and elegant. And these are again beautiful pieces. And now moving to the again accessories, we have got this towels from the south और ये पूरे ही cotton के होते हैं, easily soak हो जाते हैं. And we have got more options in towels. These are the Jaipuri bed sheets. These are all the dupattas, and you can see some kurtis